create. So I have a portion of a pork leg or pierna de cerdo. This one is boneless. It has some fat on it, which is fine. And I'm going to show you how to roast this in the oven. You can do it outside too, by the way, but I'm going to do it in the oven. So it can be done year round. And the key here is how you're going to condiment this stuff. Make sure your oven is preheating about 360 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? I have a little bit of oil, which I'm going to add. You can do vegetable, you can do extra virgin. Doesn't matter. I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm prepping this baby. And I like to add some balsamic vinegar. Moderna. See how it looks? Now it comes my mix of sazon and adobo mix. And this one's going to have, optionally, some cayenne powder, which is going to give it a spice and a kick. Hey, why not, right? But you can avoid it if you want to. This one has a kick. And I'm going to put it in there. Now you notice I put the liquid stuff first because I want this stuff to stick to it. I'm going to mix everything and then I'm going to squeeze a lime. Huh? Why not? Half a lime. So let me put it like this and let me mix everything. Make sure this stay at room temperature. You know what I mean? And you leave it outside for a little bit. You can do it overnight. But you can leave it outside for about 30 minutes to get the stuff rolling. Because you want this to become room temperature. And you want the salt that I put there to suck the juices in and then suck them out again. Osmosis process is called. Oh, look at this baby. It smells delicious. Let's give it a squeeze too. Or not, right? Get a squeeze. ¿Para qué amargarse la vida? Why are you going to sour your life, right? When you can eat well. So here it is. And I'm going to let it chill outside because I'm going to cook it today. So I run some metal skewers through the pork, put it in the oven, and it's about 360 degrees Fahrenheit for now, okay? So it's been about 37, 38 minutes. Look at this beauty. And you know what? I'm going to turn the top on for about 3, maybe 5 minutes. See how it looks, huh? Look at this baby. So let me turn the top on. About 3, 4 minutes later, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Time to get it out. Look at the skin. Ain't nice? Oh my goodness. So tender and nice.